I'm using a Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. This process will also remove a screen lock if you have one you don't know. For this, you'll need a cable and a computer. Plug the cable into your computer and connect it to your phone. I'll quickly lock the device just to show you that I do have a pattern set. What we want to do is hold the power and volume down keys at the same time. Keep the screen lit by fiddling with it, as holding those keys will forcibly shut off the device. When the screen turns off, switch from volume down to volume up. There we go, we are now in recovery mode. Use volume keys to navigate and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, then confirm with the power key. Select Factory Data Reset. At the bottom you should see Data Wipe Complete, then Reboot System Now will be selected by default. Press the power key once more to initiate the reboot. You can also unplug the cable as it's no longer needed. Give it a moment, it will take a bit longer than usual as the factory reset continues in the background. Once finished, you'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. The process is now complete and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.